Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix an outlet in-house flipper. Now currently on my job here on this house, I need to repair two electrical outlets over on the living room and the bedroom. Now of course for you to find those broken electrical outlets, if you take a look on the lower sides of the room, you will see these outlets right here. But if it's just completely white and looks completely unharmed, then it's not the outlet that you are looking for. But the one that you are looking for is this one right here that has some questionable marks on it. Let me then press E to assemble. And let me just turn off my flashlight so you can see that there is going to be a highlight here at the middle. Just hold down left click so you can take it out. And then hold down left click here as well. Just follow the sequences that the game allows you. And then just do the rest that the game tells you to. Alright, now once everything is done, it will show you the highlights here and here, and you should just be covering it right now with a new one. And then the final screw. And there you go, the outlet inside this bedroom is now fixed. And that's pretty much about it on how to fix an outlet in-house flipper.